What's going on, everybody? It's your man Crypto Millie. Today we're going to do a withdrawal from USD Tether on the Tron network, and we're going to send that over to our crypto card so we can go ahead and make that card payment. You know what I'm saying? So right now we're in the Clever wallet. I had to add the USD token. So what I did is I clicked on this little wheel, this little block over here, and when it says token filter, you just type in USDT, and you'll see you got the ERC20. This is the Ether-based USDT. Then you got the TRC20, which is the Tron-based which is the Tron-based USDT. So it was off. I just turned it on like that. Went back to the portfolio, and now you can see it right here, USDT. So that's if you're on Clever. If you're on Tron Link, it'll automatically populate. But right now what we need to do is figure out how can we get this over to the crypto card. Now, right now, crypto card, it does not have Tron on it, which, I don't know why. A lot of people are using, let me find it. Let me go back out. Yeah, a lot of people are using this service, and a lot of people are using Tron. So I don't know why. Let me pause it real quick. They haven't adapted to Tron yet. But what we can do still is use one of the items or one of the coins that crypto card does let you use. Okay, so let's go over to accounts, crypto wallet. Where is it at? Yeah, crypto wallet. Come on. All right, so as you can see, they do allow you to top this card up with Ripple. And, Ripple, the fees on Ripple are so ridiculously low that, that's what I really want to go with. We could also do the USD coin, but I just choose to use Ripple because I like transacting with Ripple. As you can see, I have some ins and some outs. That's what I use with this card. So we're actually going to do a transfer. I'm going to do a deposit. It does say the destination tag is required, so that's good. Just remember that. We're going to go ahead and copy the deposit address, and then we're going to go over to our browser, and we're going to look up bit.ly/SimpleSwap. All right. So now that we're on SimpleSwap, we're actually going to tell it that we're going to send 480 USDT tokens. USDT. There it goes. And see how they have different USDT tokens. We're going to use the TRC20 because that's Tron based. And we're going to look for XRP because we're going to transfer it into XRP. Again, lowest fees. We go for what's the lowest fees. So we're going to get 727 XRP. It says to put in the address. We already got that half of it. Let's hop back over here. Okay, and it's asking for the tag, so we got to copy the tag as well. Let's go ahead and paste that in there, and then we're going to hit exchange. Now it's going to give me the address for me to send the USDT. Okay, so that's what that is right there. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Hop back over to our Clever wallet where we got the stash in there. We're going to hit send. We're going to put in 480. Next, we're going to put in the address right there. And then we're going to go ahead and send it. I always triple check. Make sure BBG90S. Okay, so let's hop back over here. BBG90S. Good. All right, so let's make that happen. All right, we have a successful transaction sent to the network. All right, and what we're going to do with the remaining coins right here, we're going to go ahead and farm those on UME. So as we wait for that transaction to go through, I'm going to go back over here to staking with UME. Let me see what staking pools are the biggest right now. I know some staking pools that just ended. That's where we got most of that monies from. And look, we were in the thousands, but now we're, dripping on down a little bit. Let's see, there's a USDT right there for 800. That's about 1%. Well, no, is it 7.99? Let's figure out what that is. Let's go to my calculator. $7.99 divided by 365. That's about 2% per day. Okay, so let's see. Let's divide that by 100. Okay, so now we can multiply that by 300. How much is left? Where's my wallet? Over here. Let's go back. 367. 367. So we'll be earning about $8 a day times 30 days, about $241 overall. Now we would be compounding that every day. So if you think about it, just for example, there was a website that allowed you to compound daily. Let me see if I can find it. All right, so I did find the website I was using, which is compounddaily.org/calculator. We're going to come on over here. And we start off with 367. Let's just put it at 360. We're looking at 2% a day for 30 days. And we'll just leave a little bit of wiggle room for like fees and things like that. Let's go ahead and calculate that. All right, so we should actually net profit 287 if the interest rates stay the same throughout the entire month, which they may not. We're looking at coming back with it's not nearly double. I'd say about 60-70% return on the monies, which is pretty good. So you can see right here, we're starting off with about $7 a day, going all the way up to $8, 9, 10, 12, just keep reinvesting. And remember, this is 95%. So if we did 100% reinvestment, let's calculate that. We look at 292. Okay, so that's cool. All right, so now we're just waiting for the transaction to go through. We sent the 480 to this address, and we're just waiting for the 726 to show up in our crypto card account. And from there, I'll show you how to convert it over to the card, and we'll be ready to make that payment. And since that might take a few minutes, we'll go ahead and go over to Poloniex, and let's just see what the exchanges are doing over there. We do have about $100 worth of USDT right over in here, and we're going to look at diversifying. Now, if you're part of Crypto Millionaires, then you already know the top 10 coins that we're looking at investing in. Today, I want to kind of get a little bit of DOT and some more Chainlink. Maybe a little bit of Ripple too. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, man. It's all over the place, So let's go ahead and look at the exchanges. Let's see. All right, let's see what we can exchange for. We can do some XRP. We can do XMR. We can do Link Bull. This is just like a whatever Link is doing this right here does it 3 times, I do believe. Let's see if that's accurate. So if we look for Link, just the regular Link pair. Come on, where's Link? We'll have to search it. Yeah, let's just search it. There we go. So yeah, so whatever Link is doing, this right here does it 3 times. So that's something that you can think about if you're like really bullish on Link and you want to get like even more. Like it's kind of like margin trading, but you actually own a token that does 3 times what the actual underlying token does. So I'm like super bullish on Link anyway. So let's just go ahead and get a few. We're going to do maybe about 30% of the stash. Yeah, we'll do exactly $30. All right. All right, so now we'll wait for that to go through. That can take a little bit. Let's see what else we're going to get. Let's look up Dot. Let's see what Dot's been doing. Wow. Okay. So Dot's been pretty steady. Let's go ahead and cop some of that. We're gonna do half of what we got right now in Dot. All right. And let's see what's remaining. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap to figure out where the last stash is gonna go. And that's what I encourage everyone to do. Go ahead and figure out how much you're going to invest in crypto every time you get paid. Take half of that and invest that into whatever cryptos that you like. And the other half, you can be super, experimental with putting it into some of the programs that we have at cryptomillionaires.net, for example. And definitely want to show you some of those in another video. But for the purpose of this video, we're just kind of showing you what diversifying looks like. Definitely, I should actually get some Ethereum. Yeah, some Ethereum. Ethereum, let's go ahead and see what's happening here. Top coins. Let's sort by last 24-hour change. Oh, there we go. No, not sort by rank, sort by change. There we go. Wow, BitTorrent's taking off. Litecoin's taking off. We all know XRP's doing its thing. I might just actually get the rest in Well, no, you don't want to buy the highs, and Bitcoin is like super high right now. It's not even a joke. Even Tron been doing this thing lately. Look at that, 7%. Tezos, I got a little bit of that. Neo's a sleeper coin. People don't really understand the power of Neo. Algorand, Decentraland. I actually should get some Decentraland, like it's like a whole crypto project where it's like a virtual reality kind of scene where you can actually buy things and buy land inside of the game. I thought that was pretty cool, but that's that. Cardano, that's what I want. Let me go ahead and get some of that right now. So we got the dot. Now let's get the ADA. No, it's not available. It's not available as a pair with USDT. Let me see. That means I probably have to buy Bitcoin first and then. No. I guess we just don't like Cardano up in here. I don't know. So I was looking around, and I think I'm going to go ahead and get the rest in comp. Because right now it's looking at around $111 each, and it had the most recent high was 236, and its all-time high was, what is this mark right up here? If I can get up there. Okay, it's not giving me the wicks, but it's giving me 336. So this coin right here could 3x. We know it's not going anywhere. We know a lot of people are looking at this coin and using it. So it does have a lot of utility. So let's just go ahead and get the rest of it in comp. All right, and that's how you diversify. So if you need help getting on something like this, Poloniex, I had to use a VPN to get on. As long as you're not doing 5,000 crypto per day, as far as withdrawing $5,000 worth of crypto per day, you're fine. So far so good. Hope I don't get, of course, the money locked up on this thing right here, because that would be terrible, right? But I'll keep y'all up to date with that right there. But Poloniex is this platform right here. It's really pretty cool, pretty easy. It looks like all the buys have gone through and processed. So we got a little bit of Polkadot. We got the comp, XRP, Link Bull. And this right here is Link, but it's the bullish version of Link. So I do have some regular Link. You got some Tezos, a little bit of Tron, a little bit of things going on there. But That's where we are right now. So I just want everybody to know how to diversify. Very important, very important. And yeah, we're all out of USDT. So now let's hop back over and see about these coins. Oh, look, the exchange was complete. Finally. All right, so let's hop over to our card. And you can find more information about this card at cryptomillionaires.net/cryptocard. All right, so yes, the coins were safely deposited. And okay, so we are ready to go ahead and top this up. So what we're going to do now, here, let me get out of here. Okay, bye, Kay. So now what we're going to do, click on card, click on top up, and we're just going to type in how much we want to top it up with. And I'm just going to say 440 for right now. We're going to keep the rest of it liquid. I'm going to top it up. It's going to confirm it. You can see right there, total cost tells you an XRP. And then you click confirm. I'm going to enter this. All right, and the top up was complete, and we're ready to use this card to basically make everyday purchases. It comes in a nice, if you get the first tier, the free card, it's plastic, it's kind of blue looking, it's kind of cool. You can upgrade to the metal card and get more cash back and things like that. Here's the one that I have, just a basic one. All right, so nothing too crazy, but I can always go in and upgrade it to some of the other cards. But you have to put down like 1,000 CRO tokens, and right now they're worth about six cents each or something like that. So let me see if I can find. Yeah, I'm unable to find that. So this right here is the website where you can come in and get the crypto education. You can also learn about how to actually grow and multiply your crypto. Every time you refer somebody to this website, you're going to be able to 300x, 400, 500, and even 1000x your crypto. So just come on in here, get an account, see what we're talking about, and you'll definitely understand you will not be let down. Okay, it's a free system and it has crypto education. Some of the things that I just covered are things that are just available to our members here. So go on in there, like, comment, do all that good stuff, but definitely subscribe to the channel, y'all. I know y'all seen the growth. We got more on the way. Take care. Peace.